There was a man who treated his old father very harshly and rudely in front of his little son. He used to serve his father on a muddy plate, even rotten food also. Once he saw his boy was making plate with mud and he asked the reason. His little son replied that I am making this plate for you. Whenever you will be old and you will not able to earn money, I will serve food on this plate to you. This incident shocked the man. The moral of the story is that your children do not know what is good or bad, what is wrong or what is right. They just copy their parent. So, in front of your children, every action should be taken very carefully, very cautiously.